Hi, I'm Miss Color, and today we're going to learn about stop motion animation using Google Slides. First, I want to show you my finished project, and then I'll show you how to do it. It's the circle of life. Okay. So, to create that, you're going to use Google Slides. First thing you want to do when you open a new Google Slide show is, let me show you, new slides. So I want to get rid of all of this. And to do that, you go to Layout, Blank. You want a blank slide. And then you're going to go to Background and insert a background image. You click Choose Image. And you're going to go do a Google image search and search for something that you want to be the background for your animation. For example, a soccer field. Back to mine. Okay, so I have my background, and then the items I want to add are also on this page. There's a little bunny behind my picture here. And the important part of selecting images is picking ones without a background. See this bear? See, there's no background. And to do that, you're going to search for PNGs. So you'll go Insert, Image, search the web, and let's see, what else do I want to add? PNG. Funny PNG. So none of these have backgrounds. Hopefully they don't. I already selected that one. So maybe I will do more of the same one, but make it smaller. So I'm going to pick this bunny, and right here it says Insert. Oops. Double click. All right. Much smaller. Tiny bunny. So this is my first page. What you want to do is get everything that you want to animate on your first page. Okay, so for example, my untitled presentation, click here, let's see, what else should I get? Insert, image, search the web. Let's do a soccer player, PNG. Remember, the PNGs don't have a background. Let's try that one. Okay, he has the ball. Small. Okay, I've got one soccer player. What else might you want to insert? Insert an image of. Let's get the other team. Blue versus red. Okay, now we want her to go in the opposite direction, so let's flip it. There we go. Put her over here. And go ahead and grab all of the images that you want. So so now I'm going to duplicate this slide. So what you do is you do Control D for duplicate, and it duplicates everything. And now I'm going to move my soccer player onto the field. Oops, she has a background. It's not going to work. Let me get rid of her and pick one out the background. Image, search the web. Find perfect one. Let's go with her. Him. Show it to him. quite a uniform. So here we go. We got player versus player. So now I click on the slide. I hold down Control and hit D for duplicate. And then you move just a little. Click on the slide, click Control D, and duplicate. And then you can move again. Really, it's bigger. All right. Click on the slide, hold down Control, hit D to duplicate, and move the player again. See, I want him to be in the front. So I'm going to say arrange, order, bring to front. So I got him in front of that other player. Okay, click the slide, hold down Control, press D and duplicate. And keep your soccer player going. This guy's like smelling where this girl is. It's just kind of hanging out there wondering what to do. Click your slide, Control D for duplicate, move your soccer player. This person's like, wait a minute. I need to catch you. All right, slide, down Control and hit D for duplicate, and move your guys again. All right, click the slide, Control D, duplicate, and he's going for the goal. He's going for the goal. Control D, duplicate, and move them up just a little bit each time. With the slide, Control D. Slide and hit Control D. Oh, he's almost there. Click the slide, hit Control D, duplicate it again, and he kicks the ball in and scores a goal. Yay! Okay, so here would be a great time to put in a call out. It's a shape. It's called a call out, and it's like a speech bubble. So it's over the soccer player's head. At this point, you can make the border, you can pick a different highlight color. That's right here. Right now it's transparent. Oh, it's white. What color should we make it? Yellow? Oh, that didn't work. It's fill color. Oh, there's lots of options here. Okay, so then if I want to, here's a speech bubble. To type on it, you're going to put in a text box in the speech bubble. And we'll say, score. Score. Okay. Now, for us to see this, we're going to have to put it on more than one slide. So I'm going to duplicate, Control D, and again, a few times, or otherwise it will be too fast and you won't be able to see it. All right, now we're finished. You could, of course, add a little more, but I want to show you how to make it into an animation. You're going to go File, Publish to the Web. Okay, and we want them to switch every second, and we're going to start the slideshow as soon as the player loads. So you make this say auto advance every second, and start the slideshow as soon as the player loads. Publish. Okay. Now we have a URL, and at the end there's a number, 1,000, and that is 1 second equals 1,000. If we play it at this speed, it's going to be really slow. I'll show you. Copy, Control C, hold down Control and hit C to copy the URL. That go to a new tab, paste it, Control V. And right now this is switching slides every second. See, it's very slow. So what we're gonna do is speed it up. We have to change that number. Score! Okay, so to speed it up, I'm going to take 1,000 out. So if we did 500, that would be half a second. Let's do 200. So you change that 1,000 to 200, hit enter, and now watch the speed. Good, maybe 100? Let's try 100. Hit enter or return. Now it's going really fast. So 100 seems to be a good time for this slideshow. All right. So when you're finished, you're going to copy the URL and you are going to paste it in the submit assignment box on Canvas so I can see your work. All right, let's have some fun. Thanks for watching.